Good morning, everybody, classmates and tutor. My name is Leonardo Abel Sanchez, and this is an activity that pertains to the course Didactics of Social Science, whose tutor is Milia Andrea Munoz. The topic that I'll go over today is about geography of Colombia. I'm going to start off by talking about the position that Colombia has. First of all, if we look at a map, here we have in the north that Colombia is limited with Venezuela and Panama. On the other hand, if we look at the south, Colombia is limiting with Ecuador and Peru. Then, if we go to the east, Colombia is limiting with Brazil. And finally, in the west, Colombia has its border with the Pacific Ocean. There are three symbols that stand for Colombia. In first place, we have the shield. Then we have the anthem, the national anthem, which was written by Rafael Núñez, and it is composed of a choir and 11 stanzas. Then we have the flag, which is described as a rectangle in yellow, blue, and red. When it comes to political map of Colombia, you could see that Colombia is divided into 32 departments, and Bogota is the capital. Here is Bogota. Colombia comprises of 5 regions in which there are such a wide variety of climates, food, beliefs, and customs. Here we have the Caribbean region, Pacific region, Andean region, Orinoco region, and Amazon region. The Andean region is where most of people live in Colombia, and on the other hand, in the Amazon region is where you could find most of flora and fauna. There are some representative products, for example, cane of sugar, petroleum, coal, emerald flowers, oat sheet. But when it comes to coffee and emerald, Colombia is one of the most producers of these kind of products. There are such a wide variety of animals you could find in Colombia, for example, monkey, bucaro, sheep, butterfly owl. Tingua is an animal which you could find in the surroundings of Bogota. And then we have the spectacle bird and the Andean condor. Those are all of the most important representative animals in Colombia. Then we have some fruits that you could find in Colombia. For example, pineapple, banana, papaya, avocado, among others. With regard to relief of Colombia, there are 2 important places we could highlight because they produce pure water, and those are Sierra Nevada del Cocuy and Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, which has the highest mountain in Colombia. Then we have the most important rivers of Colombia. For example, the Magdalena, Orinoco River, Putumayo, Black, and the Amazon River, which is one of the largest and longest rivers in the world. Those are the references that I have for you. So thanks for your attention and have a good day.